You are witnessing a most amazing UFO film. It was viewed by the United Nations Outer Space Affairs Committee, the Congressional Hearing Committee on UFOs, and by the government-sponsored UFO investigation conducted at the University of Colorado, where the film was also viewed by the late Dr. Werner von Braun. This 16mm film was shot by Dr. Daniel Fry, a fully qualified scientist, and has been judged as a most valuable contribution to UFO authenticity. Experts have concluded that UFOs may have different planetary origins. If space beings exist, and they do travel in these space vehicles, there is nothing to prevent them from inhabiting various areas on this planet. Our egos would have to be enormous to think that we are the only intelligent beings in the universe. This picture was taken in France in 1967. It remained motionless for 4 minutes. These two UFOs were photographed over Taormina, Sicily. They remained silent and changed position 4 times before vanishing. This photograph was taken during the International Geophysical Year by an officer in the Brazilian Navy. These objects were seen coming out of a cigar-shaped vehicle in Morristown, New Jersey. Early one Saturday morning, Mr. George Stock was aroused by his sons shouting, "There's a flying saucer above our house." This was in New Jersey. Some UFOs are motionless while others revolve.
Dr. King, have any creditable writings been done on extraterrestrials and flying saucers?
Yes, indeed. There certainly is. It's called the Holy Bible. It's one of the best flying saucer books ever written, as a matter of fact, although it wasn't written for that purpose. It's filled with accounts of extraterrestrial visitors and vimanas and lights in the sky and flames in the sky.